Right now, someone could be reading every single Instagram DM you've ever sent, tracking your exact GPS location in real time, and recovering deleted messages you thought were gone forever, all without touching your phone. Most people believe their social media accounts are secured by strong passwords and two-factor authentication, but high-level threat actors bypass traditional login screens entirely, using sophisticated session hijacking and rogue API integration. Before we dive into these critical vulnerabilities, remember that everything discussed on Hakk Masters is strictly for educational purposes and cybersecurity awareness, and we do not condone using this information to violate anyone's privacy. Have you ever noticed your phone getting warm for no reason, or seen weird activity in your account login history? Drop a comment right now with your phone model, because certain operating systems are far more vulnerable to these exploits than others. If you need professional assistance, security audits, or access to world-class ethical hackers, check the pinned link in the comments below for verified tools and resources. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Hakk Masters right now if you value your digital privacy, because missing our upcoming uploads could leave your data completely exposed. The first major method involves advanced SS7 network interception, combined with silent webhooks that continuously mirror incoming and outgoing data packets from target social media applications. When an attacker targets a specific device, they do not need to crack your password. Instead, they target the underlying protocol communication layers that manage real-time data synchronization between application servers and mobile devices. This creates a persistent background stream that silently relays private messages, geolocation coordinates, and cache data directly to an off-site dashboard without triggering security alerts or password reset emails. If you want to keep your personal data safe from these specific background vectors, share this video with 3 friends right now to help spread critical cybersecurity awareness. Remember, if you are looking to secure your accounts or need top-tier consultation, the link to contact elite ethical hackers and access defense tools is located in the comments section below. The second primary strategy relies on zero-click payload deployment via compromised media files embedded in incoming network requests. Once the payload executes within temporary system memory, it establishes an encrypted reverse shell that actively extracts local storage databases, including temporary message caches where deleted Instagram DMs remain stored prior to full system overwrites. The sheer complexity of these remote monitoring mechanisms proves why staying ahead of modern security exploits is no longer optional. Leave a comment below letting us know if you think social media platforms are doing enough to protect user privacy. Subscribe to the channel and keep your devices secured.